The most prevalent avoidable risk factor for heart disease is hypertension or high blood pressure. Over 1 billion individuals worldwide have high blood pressure, often known as systolic blood pressure. A healthy diet is vital for decreasing blood pressure and maintaining ideal levels, and studies have shown that having certain foods in your diet, particularly those high in key minerals like potassium and magnesium, lowers blood pressure. So, let's take a look at the top 10 superfoods to eat to control high blood pressure. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Number 10. Pumpkin seeds. Even though pumpkin seeds are tiny, they are quite nutritious. They provide a rich supply of minerals vital for maintaining blood pressure, including magnesium, potassium, and arginine, an amino acid necessary for the creation of nitric oxide, which is crucial for blood vessel relaxation and lowering blood pressure. Another effective natural treatment for high blood pressure has been demonstrated to be pumpkin seed oil. In comparison to a placebo group, using 3 grams of pumpkin seed oil daily for 6 weeks significantly lowered SBP in a trial including 23 women. Number 9. Berries. Berries may help lower heart disease risk factors, including high blood pressure, among other great health advantages. Anthocyanins, the pigment that give berries their vivid color, are among the many antioxidants found in berries. Anthocyanins have been demonstrated to raise nitric oxide levels in blood and decrease the formation of blood vessel restricting molecules, which may aid in lowering blood pressure. To corroborate these proposed pathways, more human study is necessary. Among the berries that have been linked to decreasing blood pressure include blueberries, raspberries, chokeberries, cloudberries, and strawberries. Number 8. Chia and flax seeds. Chia and flax seeds are small seeds rich in minerals necessary for good blood pressure management, such as potassium, magnesium, and fiber. A 12-week trial of 26 patients with high blood pressure revealed that taking 35 grams of chia seed flour per day reduced blood pressure in both medicated and unmedicated people compared to a placebo group. Furthermore, a review of 11 researchers found that consuming flax seeds may help decrease blood pressure levels, particularly when ingested in whole seed form for 12 weeks or longer. Number 7. Carrots. Carrots are a popular vegetable in many people's diet because they are crunchy, sweet, and healthful. Carrots include phenolic chemicals such as chlorogenic, p-coumaric, and caffeic acids, which may relax blood vessels and decrease inflammation, potentially lowering blood pressure. Although carrots may be eaten raw or cooked, eating them raw may be more useful for lowering blood pressure. A research of 2,195 participants aged 40 to 59 discovered that eating raw carrots were strongly connected with reduced blood pressure readings. Number 6. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits such as grapefruit, oranges, and lemons may significantly reduce blood pressure. They include a range of vitamins, minerals, and plant chemicals that may help maintain the health of your heart by lowering risk factors for heart disease, including high blood pressure. A 5-month study, including 101 Japanese women, found a strong correlation between daily lemon juice consumption and walking and decreases in SBP. The result was attributable to the citric acid and flavonoid content of lemon. Number 5. Spinach. Spinach, like beets, is high in nitrates. It's also strong in antioxidants, potassium, calcium, and magnesium, making it ideal for persons with high blood pressure. In a study of 27 persons, those who took 16.9 ounces of high nitrate spinach soup every day for 7 days had lower SBP and DBP than those who received low nitrate asparagus soup. The spinach soup also reduced arterial stiffness, which may aid in blood pressure reduction and heart health. Number 4. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a nutrient-rich dairy product that is brimming with potassium and calcium, 2 minerals that assist control blood pressure. 3 servings of dairy per day were linked to a 13% reduced risk of high blood pressure, and a daily increase in dairy consumption of 7 ounces, 200 grams, was linked to a 5% lower risk of hypertension, according to an assessment of 28 types of research. Number 3. Garlic. Garlic is a natural antibacterial and antifungal food that should be included in your diet if you have high blood pressure. Allicin, the major active component in garlic, is frequently credited with several health advantages. Garlic may improve the flavor of a variety of savory dishes, including stir-fries, tea, milk, salads, soups, and omelets. Using garlic instead of salt can be advantageous to heart health. Number 2. Pistachios. Consuming pistachios has been related to good blood pressure levels, and they are a very nutrient-dense food. They have high potassium content, which is one of the several minerals that are important for maintaining heart health and controlling blood pressure. Pistachio consumption had the highest impact in lowering both SBP and DBP, according to an analysis of 21 research that looked at different nuts. Number 1. Beans and lentils. Fiber, magnesium, and potassium are all minerals found in beans and lentils that help manage blood pressure. Several studies have found that eating beans and lentils can help decrease blood pressure. An analysis of 8 research involving 554 participants found that when beans and lentils were substituted for other diets, they significantly reduced SBP and average blood pressure levels in adults with and without hypertension. So guys, that was it for this video. What did you think about our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching.